G'day, Ross from AVO Turbo World. We have our Project GT7 on the dyno where we just fitted an AVO flat panel air filter. The flat panel filter just drops straight into the factory air box like this. This is the factory air cleaner. You can see the difference. There was a little bit of a power increase where it went from the factory car, as we tested it in our last video, had 132.8 PS and 16.39 kilograms torque. With the flat panel filter, we increased to 138 PS with 17.1 kilograms torque. Where we see the big difference with air cleaners is that the airflow meter grams per second went to 99.5 at 5,600 RPM, so it stretched it up a little bit more. We kind of see this across all Subarus. When we put a flat panel air filter in, it increases between 4 and 5 grams per second airflow meter. So stay tuned for our next video on catback exhausts.